Okay, so ready for installation. We are installing Ubuntu Server. Okay, so here is the ISO file Ubuntu 2024. Next, click next. We allocate 20 GB for this setup. There is a hardware configuration. We will slightly upgrade our RAM and processor. Processor will be 2 and there will be 4 8 core. Okay, finish. Linux server is really handy and lightweight, so press it. You don't have to need a larger storage or hardware. It will run low hardware. It will you can just click enter install Windows Ubuntu server, or just it will take automatically installation. Enter. In Linux, whenever we install Linux or Ubuntu server, it will only navigate through keyboard. So press enter. Enter. We will install Ubuntu server only. Done. We will customize our Ethernet IP version. Enter manual. We will configure it as 192 sorry 192.168.0.0/24. Hit next. In the arrow with keyboard arrow button, address will be 192.168.0.200. Again hit next to arrow key, down key. Gateway will put 192, our router gateway. Everyone who are installing it with home network, follow this IP 0.1. Hit next in the arrow key, down key, down arrow key actually, 8.8.8.8. Hit save and navigate through this down arrow key button and click done. 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 Continue. Hit custom. Who's are not know what they doing, just want to smooth installation, use that. And those are for me, I just creating my personal custom installations. So hit, we will give 12 1024 101 gig for unformatted, created, and for swap. We just now install it. Done. Continue. Here we can name our server. Server name we server username, withdraw password. You choose your password as you like. Hit done. Continue. Space. Done.
আম্মু কালকে চাল রাখবো।
Waiting some time. It's now done. So we should reboot now. Okay. So there is a failure. That's not failure actually. That makes wait. Here we can just remove it. And we restart it. What was I done? I just removed the ISO file from booting and forced to boot from virtual disk, which I automatically created by Ubuntu. So that's the trick, and the login is scanner appear. You should able to log in with password. Yeah, now you can see our system is ready, but not yet. first we should upgrade it. If we missing any keys or any important update, if we miss, it will cover up. And after it we have to um, will test we are able to install navigate through other PC from this portal. We will check it also our command is executing it right away. And our installation is on working ways in on and on and on. We just overkit we just install it by bypassing our net connectivity. We just set up our network. We just simply on say I just give my virtual machine my adapter which I connect to my PC. And now sudo apt upgrade, done. Now let's check we can access it from our main PC. Remember, that's our main PC. SSH, our username Rudra, our IP is 192.168.0.200. Let's enter. Verification failed. Let's try again. Sudo apt upgrade, sudo apt update, sudo update. Yeah, we is missing some file. After it configure it, we will not face that error. We will able to communicate with to our server with common portal from our main PC. If you feel if you facing same error as I, Just follow my step. I will troubleshoot it and fix it, and you also able to fix it too. Make sure your network connectivity are as good as always. And I think our package is installing done. Now you should check sudo apt upgrade. Why yes. Yes. Oh, it's taking too much time. We should switch to stabilize the internet by warp VPN. It will stabilize my network. Make sure your internet connectivity are good enough. Process this. That's a 303 MB. No, actually they got 75 megabytes, 775 megabytes. My internet are sucks, but it will consume it so much time. When you work with your computer, might be it not take that much of time. We should make ready our copy paste. Whenever it's ready, we just click enter. This is our server name, server host name, at the rate, the IP address which we provide static IP. That's why we provide static IP, so we can remember and communicate with server. If you choose dynamic IP, automatic configs, that also work, but we don't know which IP they will go get, and that's for easy to remember. For me, you choose your IP which you want to remember, easy for you. After these installations, if you hit enter, we should able to run our server from this CLI mode. We able to fully control from this command line our main PC. We don't need to log in there. That's the beauty of Ubuntu server. Mm, the warp doesn't beneficial for me, not beneficial for me. We just have to wait as it is ready. We will connect with you again. So as we can see, our installation is done. So let's check out from there. Okay, SSH. Okay, Control L, clear the window. pt sudo apt update. Okay, sudo apt upgrade. Let's try again. Warning. We successfully pinned SSH at the rate 92.168.0.200. Mm, we are facing this error. Let's solve it from DeepSeek. Okay, here we got solution. Okay, user rutra.ssh. Now let's try again. Yes, password was our server password. Ooh, bingo. We just resolve our error. So how can we add it, or how can we know our command is working? So let's shut down it. Sudo shut down now. Password. As you can see, I shut down my server from using my host command. And you guys know how I use this IP. The error is caused by I use this IP multiple time, 2 or 3 server time in configure server. So this error are coming back or forth occasionally, one by one. So if now you know how to fix this kind of error. If we want to access, now we can say how can we know our server is up or not up. Just ping it. Here you can see request timeout. That means our server is sleep mode or inactive. That's why it's unreachable. When I again boot it up, it will get the IP again. For showing you, let's play again. Here you can see, if we ping now, it getting pink. That means our server is up or running. So how can you access it? SSH, our username, at which address we provide our static IP from to our server, password, boom, we are in our server, as you can see. So I just shut down it, sudo shut down. Now password, you just saw how I can control it from my command line, or you can say from my any kind of PC which are connected through internet. I can access my PC from anywhere. Okay, thank you for watching.